Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable notifications from phone app on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also guys, let me show you first that I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back again. Okay, so in order to enable or disable notifications from phone app on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to tap on this notifications. Okay, so let me tap on this, and after that guys you have to scroll down and find the phone over here. So here I have this phone, so you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this and it's opened, and you can see guys here I have this allow notifications, this option at the top, and also guys you can see that I have this toggle enabled next to this allow notifications. So currently I have this notifications allowed from phone app on iPhone. So let's disable that. So in order to disable, what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this. You can see it's now disabled. And again, if you want to enable that, then you have to tap on this toggle next to this allow notifications and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this because I want to show you, and you can see it's now enabled. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable or disable notifications from phone app on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.